I'll wake him back up because he went to sleep.
Self-diagnostic initiated. I am Robbie Robotics model RS-B2.
Is this his eyes?
Yeah, that's where he sees. That makes him get scared because he goes, whoa.
Human.
He knows you're a human. See, he said tracking human. He said running away, huh?
Tracking.
I know, just regular.
Tracking.
Now you have to take your hand away and then wait a few seconds to put it back there.
Signal lost.
Okay, put it back in front of you. See, it looks at you where you go.
Tracking.
It could look at Jack if he was big enough. He wants you. He thinks you're a toy to hold, but you're not a toy.
What was that?
Us twins plus our bigger and older
Where
brother.
did it go? Tracking.
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 Like this.
Tracking.
Move the camera and see if he can.
Tracking.
You see a big dog.
Tracking.
No, some.
Tracking.
Look, he has alien fingers, it looks like.
I know, it's like this. Hey, no, again.
Hey, where did it go?
Now it says
It closed on you.
8.
Signal lost.
And then you see him all eating up because he eats snow.
What's this?
Signal lost.
What's what?
No, what is
Hey,
This.
where did it go?
Oh, I think that's where he feels if he's got something. You see, he holds stuff when you give it to him.
He's like, I'll fix it.
What is that?
What is that?
And now he's like this. Right there.
Low light levels. Camera inactive.
So, I